I think part of the appeal of a band like that is that they represent the opinions that are held by a lot of young people in the country anyway.
Is it that Kneecap and the commentary they make around world politics and domestic politics when they are on stage, has that re-engaged a younger audience politically?
I was having a look at some research there earlier, a global study of young people across the world, and it said that 70% of Gen Z are involved in a social or political cause. They're all involved or passionate about some aspect of policy and politics and social and all of these other aspects of the world that we live in. It's a call that Kneecap have very much answered, because it's not that people are becoming politically engaged because they are fans of Kneecap. I think part of the appeal of a band like that is that they are vocal, is that they stand for something, is that they represent the opinions that are held by a lot of young people in the country anyway.
I don't know if there's such a thing as an apolitical Kneecap fan. I don't think you can go to a Kneecap gig and not be engaged.
They're obviously very talented with their songs and their genre of rap. I mean, to say that they're not and it isn't very entertaining how they sing, that would be a lie. They are. But I would compare them quite like to Johnny Rotten and the Sex Pistols in the 70s and 80s. It's this outrage culture, so to speak. It's the the establishment, it's the burn it all down, it's the sort of very much appealing to the young people in the punk movement. It's similar to what they're doing. It's nearly templated in a way.